How to use Shein coupon bundle. Now, as of 2025, if you already updated your Shein application, they have changed that option. Instead of coupon, they change it into vouchers. But the actual process and the operations for that option is still the same. Nothing has changed, only the name. So first things first is access your Shein account and make sure that you're fully logged into your Shein app. And once you're here, just simply add something to your cart so that you will be redirected to the checkout page. So let's just add this item to our cart and head out to our checkout page. So in here, if you scroll down a bit, once you have fully set up your delivery or your shipping address, you will now then have access with a payment method. Now scroll down a bit till you find the option here that says apply a voucher. And what you want to do is to input the unique code that you have from that specific coupon bundle. Once you have applied it, ensure that you fully understand the requirements that you need to do before you can use the coupon bundle. So what you want to do is just simply hit on apply and then just simply hit on continue for a successful order. And that's how you use a coupon bundle in Shein.